Hello everyone, welcome to my Python short video tutorial. In this video, I'll create a Python program that will ask a user to input their name, and then it's going to display a welcome message on the screen. My name is Chenry. Let's get started. To create a new Python script, I'm gonna create a new file using Vim. You can use whatever editor you want to use. And I'm gonna name this Python file the welcome message.py. In this Python file, I'm gonna ask a user to input their name, and I'm gonna use the prompt information to tell them to enter their name. Once they enter the name, I'm going to assign this to a variable called name. Then I'm going to print out the welcome message. So that's welcome. And also I'm going to print out the name as well. And since this is done, I'm going to save it and open another terminal and go to the same directory of our welcome message.py. And here I can run this welcome message.py. Once it runs, it asks user to enter name, and I'm gonna enter my name. And after I enter my name, I'm gonna display the welcome message with the username in there. So if we run it again using a different name, then the welcome message, we're going to display the different name. So that's how you create a Python program that takes user input and display the welcome message on the screen with the username. Hopefully everything makes sense. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next one.